Enshongeji ejijerirwa butagira amarwaro garukumara hamwe n'enguuto mu district age.
The referrals out would be reduced, so we are grateful for this general. It's also noted that the terrain of some areas in the district makes it difficult for mothers to reach the nearest facility in case they are due for delivery, leading to high number of community-based deliveries.
No marwaro ragari mu district age tigine bikoreso kandi chimbagizo buhereza omyamagana ubwo bari kutamagana g'abakazi mu kabi.
In the district, it has been noted that some maternal mortality cases are either patient caused or due to service provider.
Ogwagarite yeriko kwatwaho okwibari bashaho marwaro ga government enshongere sirimi mu marwaro raga yasiarara.
Now the district is at 58%, which is below 75 the national target, the chief guest, which leaves some critical positions not filled. This is, of course, leaves some issues not attended to. However, this disparity could be managed by national increase in structure and increase on the wage of staff.
Enshongeji omyishindirika zabwa Mitooma district Juliet agashaba ahumuriza abantu ng'enshongeji neija kuterera obari kwatanisa n'abanyishengero batahibi. Ekibura ry'abashaho mu district ya Mitooma omyishindirika Juliet netagizire ngo bayindi bakifunira omubazi obwa kwatanisa n'abanyishengero ba Mitooma.
Tugezeho kurwana ngo ab'indani babahereze sente tugezeho ko abamemba ba parliament tukarwana bakazitunga konka aba bayindani nibo kugamba Dr. Barise Koromo warana so no kusaba ngongere kusaba we kuzo ministry ya hereza ezayikuruho kutangana ba PhDs aba ba PhDs bakoro mu muhango kabatara kusasa
bakazire yonka maremye emyaka 3 ndukonka jena leta amazing garuka konka banda abo kujangana bashegashega bashamwe twikize government na irwari raho nahandi stock a facility where women can come with their babies na babysitters rero bakonchezamu konka mukagira abana batungukire kandi barisha
amagombora muhago mu district ya Mitooma agaramugabera Katenga Nyakazinga Mutara Chiyagara nagandi tibine heri sente za kashatu aho abakazi bakubene bazara gashoka Mike twakire.